My name is Yorat Yonas Chandra, and I'm the founder and CEO of Nagaya Technologies. We know that cryptocurrencies has created a buzz all over the world. There are a handful of people who have made money from cryptocurrencies, but sadly the majority of them lost money, especially long-term investors. In fact, CoinMarketCap.com has shown that more than 90% of cryptocurrencies out there are losing value in the long run. Most of them even have no value left. This is due to several factors. Some of them are lack of transparency within the cryptocurrency industry, as there is no central authority involved, and the massive volatility caused by lack of intrinsic value for the majority of general cryptocurrencies. This is due to the absence of physical assets that back them. So we decided to do something about it, and that was when Nagaya was born. Nagaya is a gold-backed cryptocurrency with subsidiary projects. Nagaya creates a system that allows its gold reserve to grow and expand while increasing the projects to be funded by Nagaya. Nagaya is developed by Nagaya Technologies Pte Ltd, a private limited by shares company registered in Singapore back in 2018 by two founders, myself and Mrs. Yuli Yolanda. Cryptocurrency is bringing a new financial and investment concept to the world. It provides a platform that allows people to decide their own finances without the need of a central authority. It is a great concept, but with one problem. As cryptocurrencies have practically no intrinsic value, they are very prone to speculation. This makes cryptocurrency extremely volatile. This benefits trader and exchange, but these are not suitable for long-term holders. Then comes stablecoin. Stablecoin is a cryptocurrency that is backed by a stable asset or a basket of an asset. Stablecoin provides the solution that the cryptocurrency world needed: stability. However, there is a limitation. If they are stable and backed by an asset, investors are better off holding the assets that back them up as compared to holding the stable coins. Again, not suitable for long-term holders. So we are looking to create an asset type that is relatively more stable, but with a market value that tends to increase with time. This is suitable not only for traders, but also for long-term holders. Hybrid coin is a type of cryptocurrency that combines the benefits of general cryptocurrency and stablecoins together. In this, the cryptocurrency is backed with physical assets and real projects that build stability, but not at a fixed rate, which still allows it to increase in value. As Nagaya is committed to running projects, we will allocate 60% of the project profits to provide several benefits to Nagaya holders, some of which includes increment in the amount of gold backing Nagaya, dividend share among Nagaya holders, and dividend share among Nagaya community. With the increase in the amount of gold backing its Nagaya, we believe the market value for Nagaya is expected to keep increasing over time. This is due to the fact that the market would not value Nagaya at the amount of gold backing its Nagaya, but rather its future gold increase potential. We are currently at our first stage of Nagaya public coin offering. Nagaya projects will be run based on several PCO stage, based on the amount of Nagaya sold to the public. Preparing the execution of nickel mining project will start once 3 million Nagaya sold, starting with the capacity of 20,000 tons per month, increase to the upside of 50,000 tons per month. We expect our first profit to come after an estimated 6 months of mining process. Once we sold 11 million Nagaya, we will start preparing for the gold smelter projects, starting with 1 to 1.5 kg of pure gold per day, increase to the upside of 3 to 3.6 kg per day. We expect also our first profit to come after an estimated 6 months after preparation. At this point, Nagaya will also be available in a few exchanges. We will also continue to seek more projects worldwide to invest into, in accordance with the number of Nagaya sold. Our main priorities are businesses and projects that are more long-term. We also will be looking to invest into companies or businesses worldwide with great products, especially those which can add value to Nagaya. One of Nagaya usability development plan is to create a peer-to-peer blockchain lending platform where people around the world, not limited to countries, can offer or request loans. Due to Nagaya concept where everyone can verify the existence of the gold, the lender would feel more comfortable lending the money. Nagaya will only take a small transaction fee. It is estimated that by the year 2024, the peer-to-peer lending industry would be worth $900 billion. Actually, you can only claim yourself as a cryptocurrency once you can be used as a payment system. One of Nagaya's latest milestones is that Nagaya is honored to collaborate with One Shopping Center in Sejong City, South Korea, in developing a blockchain payment system using Nagaya as the base currency for payment. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, and Nagaya comes as a solution not only for traders but also for long-term holders who see value in cryptocurrency but are looking for the choice that is more stable, but at the same time has the potential to increase. A cryptocurrency that delivers not just promises, but trust and value through legality and transparency. A lot of experts ask me why Nagaya is capped at 50 million. Point to be noted here is that Nagaya is a pilot project. Our priority is not only to sell Nagaya, but more importantly to build trust and value through legality and transparency. We strongly believe that once we establish Nagaya trust and value in the market, there will be two kinds of people who will come to us. Those who miss the opportunity to purchase Nagaya in the early stage, and those who have extraordinary business ideas and products and are looking for funding. We will combine these two groups to create our next concept. Now is the best time for you to purchase Nagaya at its early stage. We invite you to join us on this journey to achieve big and long-term success together. Let's create history with Nagaya.